Are you looking for the best modern desks? In this video we will look at some of the best modern desks on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. TribeSigns Home Office Desk. The TribeSigns Home Office Desk is a compact desk with a modern, minimalist look. The top is spacious enough to fit a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and the exact width is 21.65 inches. It has 2 drawers with a large capacity to fit all your work essentials. Each drawer easily stores a MacBook when not in use. This multi-purpose desk can be used for studying, office work, and even organization. The frame is made from strong, powder-coated steel, and the top is made of a thick, laminated MDF board. TribeSigns constructed this outstanding desk to be sturdy, stable and reliable. Choose from 2 colors, complete white or a white top with gold legs. The variety mixed with the minimalist look makes this choice the best overall. Number 2. QUYXE1-225 Modern L-Shaped Desk. The QUYXE1-225 Home Office Desk is our second pick because it is both well designed and spacious. The L-shaped design allows you to use over one monitor without taking up excessive space to do several things at once, like working or gaming. The small table on top of the main desk can be adjusted according to your needs. This adjustable option allows you to arrange it in the most comfortable way. Made using high-quality iron pipes, the base structure is extremely stable. A drawer provides extra space to store your work essentials like documents, headphones, or stationery. Last, the wooden design adds a vintage feel while still appearing modern. You can choose from 4 different color options. Number 3. FlexiSpot Desk Bike. A modern home office would be incomplete without a way to stay active. You've probably heard of an under-desk bike or treadmill, but you may not have seen a complete desk bike like this option from FlexiSpot. This unique desk has a rounded desktop, 23.2 by 20 inches. It has a slightly lifted wrist rest which is really nice for typing, but might be annoying if you have to move your mouse around a lot. The seat is wide and plush. I doubt it's real leather, but it has the same feel. In between the 2 pedals is a small LCD display that allows you to track time exercised, speed exercised, distance per exercise, calories burned, total distance, and speed of the wheel. The setup consisted of screwing the wheel piece and the tabletop together with 1 bolt. All the construction materials and battery for the display were provided. Overall, it's a fun option to complete any modern office. Number 4. TeraV's Modern L-Shaped Desk. Our third choice is this modern home office workstation by TeraV's. This L-shaped desk has a round corner which is convenient and stylish. A space saver, this desk allows for multitasking and fosters organization. A separate computer stand can easily be placed below the desk. The top is made using P2 class particle board, and the bottom is made of a steel frame. Overall, the entire table is very sturdy. The leg pads are adjustable, allowing this desk to work for people of all heights. Installation instructions make this desk easy to assemble. The desk comes in 2 sizes and is large enough for multiple monitors, which makes it ideal for gaming or other office work. Number 5. Bonviva Massimo Modern Work Table. This small, modern work desk is ideal for those who have limited space and work with only a laptop. This table will fit anywhere, from your home office to your bedroom. The glass top adds a modern touch and provides a smooth surface to write and study on. The glass is shatter resistant, allowing you to work with confidence. Extremely durable. The legs are made from lacquered MDF wood. This modern work table is easy to assemble and has additional storage below the glass top for your work essentials.